In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix PayPal Express checkout on Shopify. If you are seeing a broken PayPal Express checkout connection, the goal here is to clear the old link and then reconnect it cleanly. This process is usually quick, but it helps to follow each click carefully so the payment gateway refreshes properly. To get started, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you are in, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen for the settings icon, which looks like a gear. Then click Settings. This takes you to the area where Shopify controls important store and payment configurations. After you click Settings, you will want to find the Payments option. Click Payments to open your payment settings page. Take a moment here to confirm you are in the right section, since payment changes can affect how customers check out. In the PayPal area, you should see PayPal options that are currently active or connected. Next, in the PayPal section, click the option that says Manage or Deactivate. If you see a Deactivate link, choose that. If you see Manage, that is fine too, but the intent is the same. You need to interrupt the existing Express checkout connection. Then choose Deactivate PayPal Express Checkout. This step clears the broken link, so Shopify stops using the faulty connection during checkout. Once PayPal Express Checkout is deactivated, pause for a second and make sure you do not see any messages indicating it is still connected. After that, click Activate PayPal Express Checkout to restart the connection. This is the step where Shopify will create a fresh connection path, which often resolves checkout issues that come from outdated settings. Now you will be prompted to enter your PayPal business email address. Type the email address for your PayPal business account into the field provided, then click Next. This tells PayPal which account you want to connect to the Shopify store, so Shopify can route checkout payments correctly. After you click Next, you will be taken to the PayPal login screen. Log in with your PayPal password, then continue. When you reach the permission prompt, confirm the authorization request that allows your PayPal account to connect with your Shopify store. Click the button that lets PayPal approve the connection, and look for wording that indicates you are granting permission for the store to use the PayPal payment method. Once authorization is complete, you will need to return to Shopify so the payment gateway can refresh. Click Go Back to Shopify. This action helps Shopify reload the payment configuration and ensures the newly connected PayPal Express checkout is properly set up for your checkout flow. After you go back to Shopify, give the page a moment to update. Depending on your store settings, you may see the PayPal Express checkout status change to active or connected. If your dashboard shows the PayPal option has restarted successfully, you are on the right track. At this point, you have removed the broken link and then rebuilt the connection from scratch, which is why this fix works. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.